All right, so welcome back to the next question. This question is totally based on averages, and it is a very easy question. You just read the question, write the data, you can solve it easily. Okay. Do not worry about the length of the question. Let's start. In a company, 20% of the employees work in the manufacturing department. So if I assume that total employees are some 5x, or I can assume 5. It doesn't matter if I'm assuming 5 or 5x. If total employees are 5, in manufacturing, there is only one employee. 20% of 5 is 1. In the non-manufacturing, it would be 4. So if you're getting confused, should I write 5x or 5? You can take 5x to be on a safer side, but it doesn't affect much. So this is 4x employees are in the non-manufacturing department. Now the next line is total salary obtained by all the manufacturing employees is 1/6 of the employees. 1/6 of the total salary obtained by all the employees in the company. So total salary I am assuming is the multiple of 6. So that is 6y for me. Okay, total salary is 6y. I do the 1/6 of this thing, that is just y. So manufacturing salary is y. Non-manufacturing employees are getting the remaining salary, that is 5y. I hope this data is clear. We have decoded every information. Now we have to find the average of the salaries. Average of the salaries by the manufacturing department. So average is taken out by sum divided by total employees. Sum is y. Employees are x. So this is the average. And the non-manufacturing average would be total salary is 5y. Manufacturing employees are 4x. So this is the average. We have to just find the ratio of these two numbers. That is y upon x divided by 5y upon 4x. And that would be 4:5. So it is an easy question. This can be solved in just a minute or two. Okay. Read the question. Do not skip any such type of lengthy questions because it can be easy. It depends if you have practiced it more. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, my sign.